Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Shift 10-inch LED ring fill light. This particular LED fill light comes in this carry bag. It's a very interesting touch. This is a black carry bag, a cloth carry bag, and inside you have this box. So when you don't want to use this box, you can carry it in this particular bag itself. And this is what the actual ring light is supposed to look like. There you see it has this is a 10-inch ring light as mentioned earlier. There you go, this is 10-inch ring light. The model number is XT260 and 226 centimeter written right over here. And that's about it. We have some information. This can adjust for 3 color temperatures and according to various shades, and also basically you can control the intensity and color temperature in this particular LED light. Over here there's some extra information. This basically says that you can there are 3 color temperatures and multiple intensities in which you can control this particular LED light. Now let's open this and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a mount over here, a ball mount over here for when you want to attach it to a tripod. On this end you have a smartphone mount. This is where basically your smartphone goes in, which you use as a camera. Let me just show you how to mount the smartphone in it. First you have to remove this particular nut and take out the mount like so. I will add my smartphone to it. There you go. I'll switch on the camera just for the heck of it. And you can see my camera now, the one that I'm recording on. I'll put it back on this particular ball right over here, just like that, and screw the bolt back in. And now that we are here, we are basically ready. One second. Now that we are here, we are basically ready. Now all we have to do is connect it to a power source. For that, I'm going to connect this, like I said, to a power source. On this end, you have a USB-A connector. There you can see this is a USB-A connector, and over here you have a remote control. Using this remote control, you can power it on and off. Also change the intensity and different color temperatures of this particular LED light. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can get a clearer view, and I'm going to use this power brick to power this particular LED light. So I'm going to power it, attach it to a power source, and now, so the moment I did that, notice that the remote control has started glowing, and I'm going to turn it on now. So this is the highest intensity, I think. Yeah, this is the highest intensity. I'm going to lower it, see how low it can go. Pretty low in fact. And there you go. Let's change the mode now. So this is the warmest temperature. This is the coolest temperature, and the one in between, this basically is a mixture of two. So you have cool, warm, and mixture. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Shift 10-inch LED ring fill light. Thank you for watching.